Kiumia kimwe thutha wa abithaa umwe thibitari-ini ya Nairobi Women ruhonge rwa Mombatha gukinya igoti-ini agikuirwo kunyamaria kimwiri muiritu uria warigitagwo kuu, riu thibitari ino nitacokirie kinya abithaa uyu na kumutigithia wira. Thibitari ino itacokitie kinya riri thutha wa thuthuria kuonania kuna muiritu ni anyamaritie kimwiri gukua igicunga muhera kuri family ya muiritu uyu uria ni wa kirathi gia kanana.
When she went to the ward, she reported to the nurse in charge. The nurse advised her to write a statement, which she wrote with the hostel, then went with her back to the lab to confirm whether whatever she was saying actually happened. When they went back to the lab, the technician accepted.
Nyina wa muiritu ni acokirie ngatho thibitari ino ni unyitaniri wayo hari guthuthuria giiko giki akiuga ari na mwihoko ati kihoto kia mwari ni giguthingatithio.
The technician talked to her, informed her about the tests that were done during the day, then asked her if she was having any other problem. She said she was having a backache. Then he decided to start and massage her. So she was massaged on the back, and the technician continued massaging her. He went overboard. He started massaging her thighs, he massaged her private parts, and she felt uncomfortable.
Abithaa munene uthuthuri-ini wa ngero ino Eliud Arumba augite kimaramari giki ni giakinyire igoti-ini muthenya wa gatano kiumia kihituku na githitangwo na mahitia ma kunyamaria mwana kimwiri. Gukiri uguo ni aranire gutigira uthuthuria baranginyo ni watabanio ni gutigirira cira ni watuithanio na kihoto. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ni njitagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.